are we going?
Inspiration Point. It's not marked on the trail map that we're following, but can you turn down something called Inspiration Point?
Damn!
In case you were wondering what she was talking about. Alright, so we just got done hiking Tallulah Gorge State Park. Wasn't too bad, right?
No, not too bad.
Flat most of the time. About 1,000 steps in total to get from the top to the bottom and back up. So 500 each way or so. You can walk down to the bottom of the gorge and view from a platform, but in order to get off of that platform and go into the gorge, you have to have a gorge permit, and they're not doing those right now because of COVID. So we'll have to come back again and do the permit.
And maybe camp.
And camp, yeah. There seems to be a nice camping area here, so we'll come back and try to do another video on that one day. All right, we'll see you out there. All right, so we are here at Moonrise Distillery, and we're gonna do a little tasting and a tour.
Good morning. We are hiking now High Shoals. The road to High Shoals is pretty sketch. We didn't know if our car would make it. We were a little concerned, but we made it. and we found parking, and we're now on the trail to go to High Shoals. It's a 2-ish mile round trip. We'll see you out there.
Living on our insides, casting shadows. The world's spinning around again. We all know, but we all pretend. Earth spinning round again. Blood pumping round again. You said your name was Billy Joe, but you didn't know how to play the piano. Your feet soft on the beaten road, but you kept on driving to the so-called unknown.
On our way down, we missed the Blue Hole Falls. There's a spot where it forks, and I'll show it to you. So on your way down, you'll be coming this way, and you'll get to this little wooden platform here. Straight takes you to High Shoals. Left, which is essentially a U-turn, takes you to the Blue Hole Falls. So right now we're gonna head down to the Blue Hole Falls.
So we're driving down, wow, I can't talk. We're driving down now from High Shoals, and if we didn't already say it, we're gonna say it again. Get here early. It's about 10:56 and we've passed by so many cars on our way down. And then when we were leaving, there was like cars everywhere, and there's no real parking lot over there. So get there early, get there safe, and we'll see you out there.
And now we are on our way down to Dukes Creek Falls.
It's beating down my soul, never-ending race. I feel that fire burn with every twist and turn. Feel the shade. And when the sun goes down, all the stars will shine. I will stand wherever I strong and young, fierce to fight. Nothing between my dreams, running high on steam through the night. 'Cause when the sun goes down, all the stars will shine. I will stand wherever I am.
Wow! Look at all these chickens.